Hello dear lovely audience, how are you? I hope that you are all fit and fine. I am also fine. Welcome back to my new video. I am Shapon Khan Nodi. Today I will highlight free place. You can see a free place. It is a beautiful place in our country. Most of the people of Bangladesh visit and favorite place in free place. When you free time, please come here. Free place. You can see there are many people. There are many farmers collect in this land. It is a beautiful place and most important place in our country. There are many people come here visit in this area. You can see the name of the village is Chokchoke village. Chokchoke village is important village in our Upazila. The name of the Upazila is Faridpur Upazila. It is most important Upazila in our country, but it is a small Upazila in my district. The district name of is Pabna district. But at present I am standing by Faridpur Upazila and Chokchoke village. Dear video viewers, you know English is an international language. It helps, if you speak in English, is very good. It helps us communicate with people from all over the world. You know, it is very difficult speaking in front of the camera. I am trying to speak in front of the camera, but it is easy. I am trying to learn English. If you want to be a good speaker, if you want to be a good learner, if you want to be a good teacher, I advise you practice. When you practice regular, I hope that you will be able to speak in English, you will be able to learn English. Just practice. You know, practice makes man perfect. The more you practice, the more you will learn. The more you study, the more you will win and you will success. Just practice. I am trying to learn English. Just practice. Okay. Bye bye.